Nice work, sir. The payoff from Redstone really got us back on our feet.
Why is that Tosh guy aboard?
He wanted to talk to you in person, sir. Something about conducting more business ventures together.
You do any digging on him?
Of course. And he's no pirate. Rumor has it he's a renegade ghost. Until he vanished, he was one of the Dominion's top assassins. Now Manx hates him almost as much as he hates you.
Well, I like this guy already. Just the same, we best keep an eye on him.
Yes, sir.
Donnie Vermillion, UNN, your first, last, and only stop for the truth. Tonight, our own Kate Lockwell uncovers a secret shadow war waged by our brave Dominion ghosts against a ruthless hidden enemy.
Thanks, Donnie. I'm talking live with a specialist in the Dominion. I understand that you and your comrades have been against a group of... What can you tell us about that?
Well, Kate, I'm not allowed to say much, but I can tell you that his allies will not. We expect them very soon.
I think we'll all sleep a little better tonight, knowing our Dominion forces are watching over us. For UNN, I'm Donnie Vermillion.
You ever heard of a guy named Gabriel Tosh?
Only rumors. Way I hear it, he was mixed up in some covert branch of the Ghost program that produced some real scary badasses. Word was, Tosh snapped and went rogue. I'd play it real cool with that kind. He'd cut your throat soon as look at you.
I've dealt with rogue ghosts before. If the one's still working for Manx, I got a problem with.
Just out of curiosity, I did some tests on the minerals from Redstone. I thought you should know I found trace quantities of Jorium, a rare crystal with very unique properties.
I'm all ears, Doc. What kind of properties?
Jorium resonates at the same frequency as certain brainwaves. It's been theorized that it could be used to stimulate brain activity or even produce psionic abilities in human subjects.
What the hell does Tosh want that for?
He is the man. We make a good team, me and you.
Why are you here, Tosh? Our business is done unless you got something else for me.
Yeah, I got another job for us on a world called Belshia. Interested?
Maybe. What's in it for me? Piracy ain't exactly my chosen path.
Everyone knows Jim Raynor wants to put the hurt on Mengsk. I can help you with that. I can help you big time.
I'll think about it. For the time being, welcome aboard the Hyperion. We'll talk later.
We've received reports of a new Dominion salvage operation on Tarsonis. They're running a large number of supply trains with minimal security. If we intercept the trains and liberate their contents before they can be shipped off-world, we could make a serious profit.
There's a rare gas on Belshir, the Protoss Skull. the breath of creation. They think it be a gift from their gods. We call it Terrazine, and it'd be worth a fortune to the right bidder. Of course, those Protoss will kill us if they catch us on their holy ground. Or at least they'll try.
Never thought we'd be back to this graveyard again. What have we got, Matt?
The Dominion's restored power to the old rail network. They're using the trains to move salvage to a central processing station. Our informants say the Dominion's found something unusually valuable, and they're transporting it to the processing station today. It's on one of these trains, but unfortunately they're all scan shielded, so we can't tell which one. We'll have to hit as many as we can and hope we get lucky.
Hope we get lucky? That ain't the usual Matt Horner plan.
You got a better one, sir. I'm all ears.
It's all good, Matt. You sold me. Well, let's go rob ourselves some trains. Old Tychus is gonna love this one.
Big job!
Not enough minerals.
You gonna give me orders? Aye, aye, sir. Will do.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks. Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may be other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
Yeah, whatever.
What's the plan? On the move.
SCV ready.
I like it. Of course. Victory is ours.
SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! Huh?
What's on your mind? How devious.
SCV ready.
My pleasure. Of course.
Go ahead. SCV ready.
Excellent. How devious. My pleasure. Go on.
SCV ready.
I'm waiting. On the move.
SCV ready.
What's on your mind? I like it. Victory is ours. I like it. On the move. Excellent.
SCV ready.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest. Not enough minerals.
Of course. On the move.
SCV ready. Big job, huh? Uh-huh. Bad news?
Add-on complete. Additional supply depots required.
What's the plan? What's on your mind? What needs killing? What's going on? Yes, sir. Huh? Yeah, whatever. At the ready. SCV ready. Of course.
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap payload to build more units.
I'm going. Ah! You scared me! Yeah. SCV ready. Yep. What's the plan? What's on your mind? How devious.
SCV ready.
My pleasure. Excellent. Victory is ours. On the move. Victory is ours.
SCV ready. Go, go, go!
Go on. How devious. Of course. On the move. I like it. Excellent. I'm waiting.
SCV ready.
My pleasure.
Armed and ready.
Victory is ours.
SCV ready. What's going on?
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
What needs killing? Huh? I'm waiting.
Add-on complete. Add-on complete.
Ah! You scared me! Bad news? Gangway, coming through. Huh? We hear you. Go ahead. It's your time. In the rear with the gear.
What's on your mind?
The doctor is in.
I like it. What?
I can't build here.
How devious. On the move.
The doctor is in.
Excellent. What's the plan?
Not enough minerals.
I like it. Victory is ours. My pleasure.
The doctor is in.
How devious. I like it. Victory is ours. My pleasure.
Oh, it's on.
On the move.
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our
The
base.
doctor is in.
We better be ready.
Go on. On the move. What needs killing?
Bad news? Go ahead. You're the boss.
Insufficient Vespene base is under attack.
Of course. How devious.
the southern tunnel.
At the ready. I like it. What? What needs killing?
Roger. Huh? Well, go ahead.
I'm waiting. What's the plan?
The Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
What's going on? Ah! You scared me!
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Big job, huh? Will do.
I'm waiting.
SCV ready.
Victory is ours. Of course. Excellent. How devious. On the move.
We could use
Our
some help here.
SCVs are under attack.
Victory is ours.
SCV ready.
Let's have a blast.
Bad news. In the rear with the gear. Uh-huh. Go ahead.
Go on.
SCV ready.
What needs killing?
Upgrade complete.
How devious. At the ready. Excellent.
SCV ready.
Victory is ours. I like it. Get me out of here. On the move. My pleasure. Of course.
What's going on? Huh?
What needs kicking me out of here?
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Excellent. Victory is ours. How devious. Go on. Of course.
It's go time.
Upgrade complete.
What's on your mind? At the ready. On the move.
Huh? Roger.
Let's have a blast.
Go on. My pleasure. How devious. On the move.
Gangway, coming. Oh, it's on.
I like it. Of course. Victory is ours. On the move.
Gangway, coming.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
What's on your mind?
The doctor is in. The doctor is in.
What? Excellent. I like it.
The train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
What needs killing?
It's about to get heavy.
I'm waiting. How devious.
Boom, baby!
What needs killing? Go on. At the ready.
Let's have a blast!
SCV ready.
It's go time!
SCV ready. What's the plan? What needs killing? SCV ready. SCV ready.
It's go time!
What needs killing? My pleasure. Go on. SCV ready. SCV ready.
Sir, I'm detecting Dominion kill teams patrolling the tracks with large groups of marauders.
How devious.
I'll mark their location with a red warning symbol. Still, you should try to avoid them.
What needs killing? On the move. SCV ready. Of course. SCV ready. What needs killing? My pleasure. Victory is ours. I like it. How devious.
This better be good.
At the ready.
In the rear. Huh? What's going on?
Get me out of here.
I'm going. Bad news?
What needs killing? What's the plan? I like it. Of course.
Additional supply depots required.
Ah! You scared me!
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
The Dominion are boosting their train speed somehow. You'll need to use Diamondbacks to catch them.
What's on your mind? My pleasure. At the ready. What needs killing? What's the plan?
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Get me out of here. At the ready. What needs killing?
insufficient Vespene gas.
What's on your mind? What needs killing? How devious. My pleasure. Go on. Victory is ours. What's going on? What's the plan? I like it. How devious.
Go ahead. Yep.
It's about to get heavy.
What needs killing?
In the rear with the gear. Yeah, whatever. Big job.
It's off.
What's on your mind? Of course. My pleasure.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Let's have a blast.
What needs killing? At the ready.
Vespene geyser exhausted.
Move it. I'm going. Yep. Go, go, go. It's your time. Yeah. Yes, sir.
What?
Looks like we found all the Confederate Diamondbacks, sir. This should really help out against the trains.
Go ahead. In the rear with the gear. You want a piece of me, boy? Bad news? Yeah, whatever.
At the ready.
Who wants some?
Mineral field depleted.
Go, go, go!
What's the plan? How devious.
The doctor is in.
Gangway, coming.
The doctor is in.
Armed and ready.
Go on.
Go, go, go! Huh? What's going on? Will do. Big job, huh? Gotcha.
What's on your mind?
The doctor is in.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Looks like the Dominion ran out of whatever they were juicing the trains with. They're putting out bigger escorts, though. We better watch ourselves.
Victory is ours.
Huh?
The doctor is in.
By the number.
What's the plan? I'm waiting. What needs killing? What?
The doctor is in.
Rescue Gaza exhausted.
I like it.
Sir, we're detecting electrical activity in the wreckage.
Now let's see what they were so fired up to get their hands on.
Altitude 23-46 online. System recording. New Gettysburg Defense Initiative. Submit access codes.
Well, I'll be. Confederate adjutant. What intel's so important they'd go and dig her up to recover it?